Everybody, welcome back. When we last left you, we were leaving Wisconsin, and now we're going to explore Michigan, specifically the Upper Peninsula. Join us for our adventure through this amazing place. First stop was Houghton, Michigan, where we stayed right on the riverfront at Kestner Waterfront Park. If you're ever passing through this spot, it's a must-stay for at least a night. It's peaceful, scenic, and the perfect way to start exploring the area. Oh, and they had a really nice concert that night, too. How's your evening concert been?
It's been wonderful.
Wonder what their encore is going to be.
That was their encore.
That can't be the encore.
And no one else is singing.
Maybe they're just warming up for the last song.
He is talking right now.
Yeah. The next morning, we visited Royale Visitor Center, hoping to take a charter out to the island.
As close as we're going to get. This was sold out. This was sold out. This was sold out. This was 6 hours.
That's what happens when you fly by the seat of your pants. Sometimes, particularly on Labor Day weekend, you can't get into anything. How was your trip to Isle Royale?
Quick.
Just like that, we're back.
And there's no exhibits in the visitor center.
No.
They have
there's a little 3D map and...
They have a shop where you can get magnets and t-shirts and puzzles, and they have some pelts there, but that's about it.
He said there's wolves and other dangerous critters on the island itself.
Wolves, coyotes. I wouldn't be surprised if there's bears.
They swim across the river.
Lake.
The lake. This is a cool town. There's a long running trail here. I wouldn't want to be here in the wintertime. He said it's like 200 inches of snow a year.
I think he said over 250 inches of snow every year. Or maybe he said over 500 inches of snow every year, but last year they only got 250.
Oh, that's it. That's what it was.
Yeah.
Good Lord.
Yeah.
And they canceled
You can tell they get snow too because all the fire hydrants have the
tall stick.
The tall sticks on them. It's a beautiful little
They
town.
canceled the boat ride this morning because of the weather was rough.
Too much wind.
Yep. So, if you're going to book a plane or a boat out here, you need to do it well in advance. You can take a dog out there if it's a service dog, but again, with all the wild animals, I don't know that I would.
And you have to have a flexible schedule.
Very.
Because, today, this boat didn't go out, so it's not coming back tomorrow, kind of thing. So, if you're camping on the island, you have to know, hey, you might not get the first boat back or flight back that you've booked. So, plan to stay an extra day or two. We're going to a Mining and Mineral Museum. And then we're going to go to a mine later today. And there's
you going to put your hard hat on with your...
I think they might make it.
Yes!
The photos online. Hard hats.
Okay.
I forget the name of that one. Keweenaw. We'll have to look when we get there.
Okay, let's go. From there, we headed to A.E. Seaman Mineral Museum. The collections here are stunning, and it's a great stop for anyone fascinated in geology or looking for a unique indoor activity.
16th, 2018, a meteorite fell near Hamburg, northwest of Detroit.
You can touch it, Blair, but you got to be gentle. You never know.
Wow. You really wouldn't. Holy cow. I wonder if they said those were in New Jersey, right?
Mm-hmm.
That one over in the corner sure does look familiar.
Did your electrons get excited, Blair?
You stole my line.
Our next stop was exploring the Keweenaw National Historic Park Visitor Center, and we wandered through this old mining town. It's like stepping back in time to when copper mining shaped this region. Welcome to Copper Country. I didn't realize how much it was here, but it's here.
What's that?
Copper.
I didn't know either. I knew they mined, but I didn't know what. Right on this ridge.
Blair, if you don't wear one of these hats,
I saw this.
you're not a real UPer, upper.
I saw this in the other gift shop.
I think you 100% need one to go down the mine shaft.
I do not.
What color are you going to get?
I kind of like the green. I need a battery though. I got my hair up. Doesn't fit.
You like this tag?
Yeah.
From there, it was off to Quincy Mine. This is an incredible underground tour. You want to operate the mine? Yep. Hey, did you see the fly graveyard? Look in the window. There's like 1,000 flies over there. Anyway, I thought this thing was like a rock tumbler. It's not. It's a wheel with like a steel cable goes around it.
Yeah, like a pulley.
Yeah, pulley. Ooh.
Okay, as we're going in, take a look to your right. That is the original size of this entire tunnel.
One of the most mind-blowing facts, the mine is deep enough to stack dozens of Empire State Buildings inside, and is truly awe-inspiring. We wrapped up the day with a beautiful drive along the lake shore, soaking in the colors and the stunning views before settling into Pictured Rocks RV Park near Christmas, Michigan.
Dead asleep, but her left eye is open.
The next day, we explored Pictured Rocks National Lakeshore from various points, meeting some fantastic people along the way. Whether it's hiking, beachcombing, or just enjoying the views, this place is pretty incredible.
Going on a trek.
A trek!
Oh, 800 feet. Walkway may be slippy. It sure is with the sand on top of the wood.
Mm-hmm. That bathroom, was as clean as a hospital.
Oh my gosh, you know the bathroom when we were at that underground missile thing?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, it was like spotless.
Yep.
Smelled good. Like I was slept in there all night. Hope it was shelter from a storm. Look how pretty.
Blair, you gonna go swim?
I've adjusted below the knee. It's not bad at all, but it's shocking when it first hits you.
Yeah, it's cold.
So I think you could go swimming and be fine. As long as the sun was out.
You can have what she wants to play.
Oh, so good.
You don't ever bark. Get him, Pipe.
My language.
Back at the rig, Blair decided to go for a run at the local mountain bike trails, and I joined her. Blair's training. I'm helping her train. I'm out of breath on a bicycle. She's zorching up a hill. We both enjoyed it so much that we decided to do it again the very next morning. High five. Fly away, little bird. It's a great mountain biking trail up here, but awesome mountain biking trails and running trails. My watch was yelling at me. I said, "Did you just fall?" And yes, I just fell. Right up there, I was trying to wipe sweat off my face, and my left hand, which is my front brake, pushed me over the handlebar. So yes, I fell. Thanks, watch, for checking me out. I was about to call 911 for me. How was your run?
It's good.
I've wrecked 3 times since I saw you last.
No.
Yeah.
I saw a tire skid in the mud.
Yeah.
I wasn't sure if it was you.
It was me.
Looks like you hit your handlebars. Yeah, that's a lot more tricky of a descent than the one yesterday.
Way hard.
Yeah.
Are you done?
Well, it's only been an hour. But
I've been riding for an hour and a half.
we had to stop and make a pit stop.
Oh, noted. Post-run, we set out for Brimley, Michigan, where we visited our friends, the Reitmeyers. If any of you are Airstreamers up in that region, you will likely have met them or stayed with them as a harvest host or courtesy parking. They graciously hosted us for the night, giving us a chance to reconnect and explore Sault Ste. Marie together. They treated us to a tour of the locks, the Tower of History in town, and the local Maritime Museum. We even enjoyed a fantastic dinner at one of their favorite spots. It was such a special stop along our journey.
Life is good. Life is good. Every moment we're together feels just like it should. Life is good. Life is good.
We're probably right around here last night. Yeah, because there's a marathon around this island. We did our little mountain bike right here. So we were right by the deepest spot. Wow.
We keep on getting closer. You are the reason I can find my way home. When I'm with you, I know.
We're so grateful to the amazing people and places and adventures that make this place unforgettable. Thanks for coming along with us as we explored Michigan's Upper Peninsula. Next week, we'll take you to Mackinac Island, one of our favorite stops ever. Until next time, happy trails, everybody.